Hello everyone, it's Annabel Bateman here, and I am all about wellness, holistic wellness, and for me doTERRA is that business vehicle to help empower, educate and encourage women to live a lifestyle of wellness because it can incorporate in all different areas of your life. And I'm doing right now a series called the A to Z of doTERRA, essential oils and products, and today we're talking about Aromatouch. Now, Aromatouch is the spa blend, or known as the massage blend within doTERRA. So it is a beautiful oil to use topically with some carrier oil, like fractionated coconut oil or a carrier oil of your choice. A few drops in the palm of your hand with the carrier oil, and you can massage it on tight neck and shoulders at the end of the day. You could certainly use it in a full body massage. That would be the optimum. I have actually taken this when I've gone to have a massage. This one and ice blue. If I've really got gnarly bits, then I like the ice blue. But the Aromatouch I have taken to massage and asked them to use this as well, because that's what it is. It's really beautiful. The oils that are in it are cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit and lavender. And they're really lovely ones for those, muscles and joints. And if you find ice blue, which I'll cover when I get to eye, a little intense, then Aromatouch is a really lovely one for you. It's one that I often use at night time before I go to bed. I tend to get those restless, twitchy legs. And there's a few different things that help me with that. Ice blue is one. Magnesium, obviously that's not essential oil, but magnesium really helps. Frankincense can help, but and cypress, which is a really key one to that, can help, and that is the key ingredient in Aromatouch. So I'll often use this one too, just mixed with some moisturizer or a carrier oil. Aromatouch is also a lovely one to put a drop in your bath if you want a nice relaxing bath, or even to pop in your diffuser if you just want that nice day spa smell. It's refreshing and invigorating for your airways with the peppermint and the cypress, and it's just got that really lovely fresh smell. So Aromatouch, a really lovely one just to add to your collection. If you want any questions about it, or you've got any favourite ways you like to use Aromatouch, pop them in the comments. If you want to get your hands on them, please reach out, send me a message, contact me through annabelbateman.com. I'd love to help you. Thanks. And next up in the A to Z is balance. So stay tuned for that one. Bye.